U.S. Secret Service Chief Kimberly Cheatle has stepped down days after the assassination bid on Republican nominee Donald Trump. Remember, Kimberly Cheatle is, of course, the U.S. Secret Service director, and the U.S. Secret Service had come under a lot of scrutiny for failing to secure the area, the rally ground where Trump was addressing in Pennsylvania on that Sunday morning, on Saturday evening for their time-wise, of course. On July 13th, that incident had taken place. And after the congressional hearing as well on this matter, we can now see Kimberly Cheatle has stepped down. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Disha. Disha, if you can just take us through, the kind of scrutiny that Secret Service has gone under. She's, of course, also deposed in front of a congressional meeting, but now finally taking this decision to resign.
Yes, Tawnima. In fact, this move by Kimberly Cheatle was expected in a sense, because given the immense backlash that the Secret Service was facing since the July 13th assassination bid on former President Trump, and given the fact that what were the lapses around the security at the rally, given the fact that the shooter was able to reach such a close distance to Trump and given the assassination attempt. So remember that the Secret Service's main job is in fact to protect not just the present US president but also all former US presidents. So this was in fact a huge security lapse, and there was bipartisan calls for Cheatle's resignation. And in fact, she has said in a mail, according to various reports, that I take full responsibility for the security lapse, she said, quoted in an email by various reports. So, as you mentioned during her House Oversight hearing yesterday, Cheatle actually acknowledged that there were colossal lapses and significant problems with the security at the rally. So, now with her resignation, current president, US President Joe Biden, has reacted to her resignation, saying that he and First Lady Jill Biden are grateful for Cheatle's decades of service, and they will also appoint a new director soon.
Right.
So they have also said that the independent review into the incident will continue.
Mm-hmm. Right. Of course, this happening just months ahead of the U.S. Presidential election. A very, very high-profile incident there, of course, taking place now that the Secret Service director has resigned, stepped down, following a lot of scrutiny which the agency faced because of this incident. Disha, there, thank you so much for joining us.